To my channel. My name is Lois Ndege. I studied for my BSc in Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering at the University of Nairobi. Then I proceeded to the University of Salford, Manchester, UK, where I studied for my Masters in Petroleum and Gas Engineering. As the title of the video states, we're going to discuss 11 types of engineers. So, be ready for this. Engineer type number 1. This is the mechanical engineer. This engineer designs, tests, and develops mechanical devices such as tools, machines, and even engines. Engineer type number 2. This is the petroleum and gas engineer. This engineer explores reservoirs for natural gas and crude oil. Then he advises the business owner whether it's worth the time and money to extract the natural gas and crude oil from the natural surface or from the earth's surface. Engineer type number 3. This is the civil engineer. This engineer designs and even supervises construction projects such as roads, bridges, tunnels, and even water irrigation projects. Engineer type number 4. This is the electrical engineer. This engineer designs, develops, and even tests new electrical equipment and solves electrical problems. Engineer type number 5 is the marine engineer. This engineer designs, develops, and tests offshore vessels such as ships, boats, offshore platforms, and even drilling equipment. Engineer type number 6 is the aerospace engineer. This is an engineer who designs, tests, and develops aircrafts, missiles, satellites, and even systems for defense. Engineer type number 7 is the biochemical engineer. This is an engineer who designs and develops new chemical products for a multitude of companies and individuals. Engineer type number 8. This is the software engineer. This is the type of engineer who designs and comes up with computer software development and applies engineering principles in the computer software operation. Engineer type number 9. This is the Biosystems Engineer. The Biosystems Engineer is an engineer who integrates engineering sciences and applies biological, environmental, and even agricultural sciences to his or her designs. Engineer type number 10. This is the financial engineer. The financial engineer usually uses mathematical methods to solve financial problems. The last but not least is the Geospatial Engineer. This is a new engineer in the engineering family. This engineer uses new technology such as GPS, satellite imagery to be able to collect geographical information. If you're interested in my content or if you like my content, kindly destroy the subscribe button, hit it real hard, ring the notification bell, and even click the like button. Also, comment in the comment section so that we can interact and I can be able to know what type of engineering you are doing. Until next time, namaste. Bye.